In a nutshell, what do? I help people to find the clarity they need so they can communicate to get the things that they want, and to really figure out what is that thing, that it factor that I have, and how do I articulate it so that other people can see it and understand. Because what's really hard when you're an entrepreneur and you are trying to do something, right? The hard part is it can be real hard to explain at first. And then when you add the layer of the fact that you are all creatives, you're creative people, and so your talents are a little intangible, right? It's hard to describe. It's certainly really tough to describe where the gift came from, exactly how it manifests itself. It can be tough, but it is necessary. Why? Because we've decided to go into business. And so because we're going into business and we are monetizing that talent, we are going to use that superpower in many different ways to bring revenue to ourselves. We've got to get real good at talking about the value that we bring to the table. You know, learning to describe your superpower is what will open doors for you. It is what will give you and draw towards you the opportunities that you're looking for.